Okay, FM 101.7.
Now, secondly, also, I think that about the parliament.
Yes.
You know, when I saw the videos, I mean, their course, no, and I'm so imagine him say, go for way, but you know, sitting back, digesting the issues, so almost any part. And I've seen worse things happening around the world. In Crawford, almost two chairs, bubu asum ni adie. What I think we should know is say, nipa, and at any point, depending on how we think, and our issue, ni besi we ni more. Oh, send a obekana na. Ebia, to say meka, debia, ebia obika assembly. Oh, all asem no ti baby asem no na enhye da emfa wo ho sa. You are not in that space at that particular time, that moment. Only sa feeling mo. Na ebia why you su wa fear judgment and I say baby out in your comfort no dey judge sa nipa kono. But ebia unya abotre kakra na ura sa ni space ni mo at that particular time. But oh ebufu. You know, so I think yes, they didn't do well. I mean, yeah, movie me throw on Facebook say Obiti said you're snatchy, you know.
Ballot paper. No.
Yes.
Not a temple run.
Aha. And who said the play out in Parliament is exactly that what played out on the grounds of elections on that day in Kofobi, Yeni Omako jail. Oh, and it's the same thing our people did. Oh, but what Busa say, almost abaso mihun se abaso body e ben na ye di be mo but do be wan na e bia omo work out free. And I think say those are the things we need to look at. Say everybody, we are all equal
before the law.
Inti sanyo man, but we can pardon them.
Are you suggesting say they said your snatch ballot box or the journey or mokochi no money call court or more banned from voting for the next 5 years. I think one man is 3 months.
3 months in jail, yes.
Who feel say colors are in ground, so the law should apply.
Yeah, that's exactly what the Constitution says. And you mean I make don't know more on the above headline. Oh, Constitution in the say.
Two patrons say anybody who snatches a ballot paper.
Yes.
The Emrano see yen handle ne pano. Send Emrano see yen handle ne pano. Yen under colors on so sa.
Exactly. But you see, that's what I'm saying. Say, it's at the discretion of ABA, the court, and now whoever. But I'm saying, say, the right thing, they say, and that's Constitution is like our Bible. We can't go beyond or above or add or unless it's a referendum add to it.
Enti Carlos, say Carlos ni di no.
Carlos ahinkra.
Or patches say amfa ne mra kwan so. Mra kwan so me boa.
Or see the emrano see yenya no yenya na.
Na di obutu box on so e.
Enu nka ho enu emra bia ni. I'm just no. Mommy explanation.
Okay. Emrano ntro said don't boot. But also men disrupt. So once our boot on disrupt the process.
Okay.
Let us go back and play the scenes. At the time, I think the name is Jinapo, but one of the Osha White. At the time, all booty ballot box. There was nothing in process. Nothing. Nobody was voting. Nobody was voting. Yes.
One normal elections here, Koi. Say we do polling station. Almost starty process no. Who could boot 2 ballot box on that you?
Thank you.
Main cancel almost starty about to no.
Thank you.
So what would you?
The process was on.
Yeah, good.
People have voted already. It's not just booting of the also be snatchy. Your friend is saying paper.
I know the nyakra.
I know the snatchy box ni nyina o. What you must say?
One snatchy box.
Box no.
Parliament.
Muntaka. Go and watch. Box no.
Oh.
Eti na me so me ka say.
The
say your fedjo ni yenya.
The obutu
yanso enye. Because your ba say me
I did not follow the I did not follow the proceedings live. Me who videos. Yes, me who videos.
Giving you what happened.
Good. So say son or yeah. Oh.
eti die benkum ye ya enya no die nifa so ya sa na o tsele die enya na chese no ano
this is what I keep telling people say I belong to the NDC. So NDC ya dia enya meka because it is in the supreme interest. So NDC ya dia and I say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ya dia enya meka because it is in the supreme interest of the Ghana for. Yes, it is that simple.
Okay, FM 101.7.